Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, sharing with you my real money, my real trades, all my money, all my trades, all my investments. I only have $1,500 in my checking account, $1,500 in my savings account. I have no car loan. I have no mortgage. I live in the studio up to 10 hours a day. In fact, I'm in the studio up to 12 hours a day, but I'm actually working, going online up to 10 hours a day. This is my journey from $5,000 to where we are today. Let's get straight into our trades, and every day we're joined by investors and traders from around the world who share their live positions with you, who equally share everything with you. We've had every kind of conceivable emotion on this show acted out in live time, in real time. We've experienced all kinds of things together, and we're here for each other every single trading day. Let's get straight into it and see where we are this morning. Let's bring up the tickers right now. Let's get it on the screen. Here we go. All right, so this is our position. We're down a little bit this morning. I've got some news that I'm going to share with you later on today about Elon Musk. Some dramatic news, I think. So look out for that video coming up later. All right, let's get into it and let's see who is here first. We have Mike Grady. How are you? Lovely to see you, Mike. Sorry, Andrew Grady, I beg your pardon. He says, okay, Mike. I was reading the comments back to front. We got Mike over on Twitch as well. If you can keep Twitch open, it really helps our channel. It helps grow our channel, same as TikTok does, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the other services. The home of our show is YouTube. You're watching the YouTube broadcast here. If you want to be part of the main event, join us on YouTube. Links in the profile. martynlucas.com/ Sorry, I'll try that again. YouTube.com/ at Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile. That's where we are every day. Every single day we give away cash prizes. Now, I want to put a huge warning out to everyone. There are hundreds now of copycats on TikTok, Twitter, you name it, everywhere. They're all pretending to be me. And you know the difference. One, I spell my name correctly. I'm the only Martyn Lucas Investor spelled correctly. 2, I never message you. 3, I never try to sell you anything. I'm here to give away money. I'm here to support. I'm here to answer questions. I'm here to bring a community together. That's what our channel's about. So please be careful. I will never message you on Discord, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. I only reply to your messages. Okay? All right. Good morning, Rob Brennan is here. It's a good day to be out of margin. You ain't kidding. All over the place, right? It's all over Twitter again. People will fall for it. Saudi Arabia sovereign fund up stake in Lucid Group. It's ridiculous. People will buy it. They'll buy it. They'll dump it. Off they go. I'm not playing the games, not interested and not investing on what people write on Twitter and Reddit. Absolutely ridiculous. And hi, Mike, Andrew. Flutter Edits, hello to you. Malk is here. Morning, afternoon, gents. Great stuff. I have fake Shad, Hondo and Farmer Nick on Discord. Do you, let's have a quick look in the breakfast lounge this morning. Has everybody been in the breakfast lounge? Because you can't start the show until you go into the breakfast lounge. It's the law, it's the rules. Let's have a look. All right, today, yes, we had a wonderful message sent in. This was sent in by, who was this sent in by? Eric B., who's having a wonderful breakfast there with some great entertainment on the TV. That's part 3 of our Red Cross fundraiser tonight. Very nice indeed. What else have we got here? We've got Andrew Grady, who sent in his coffee. Oh, look at that with the cream on top. I like a bit of that. It's a bit of Starbucks. And I like this. Look at this. I like this. Starbucks in a proper cup. Not this non-recyclable rubbish. Look at that, a proper cup. I like it. I like it. Good old-fashioned stuff there. Good. I love it. You're all making me hungry. Jason Fallon, breakfast. Let me have a little look here. Breakfast at Champions. of Breakfast of Champions. Flutter Edits, morning everyone. Good morning, making my first coffee today. Morning, Ed Nevius, George Semaine. Great stuff. Thank you, guys. That's what we need to do. Come in the breakfast lounge in the morning before we start the show. All right. If you don't do that, what is going on? We want to get a public channel. We want to be a partner with Discord. We need everyone to be taking part and having some fun in that in the morning. Anyway, my overall portfolio is taking a dive. Down she goes. Okay, the S&P 500 is down. I'm still up 5.5%. Morning all, Martin. Please learn me something. N2 Deep. Learn me something? What's all that about? Virgin Galactic. We all learn from each other. That's what it's all about here. Virgin Galactic is down. Virgin Orbit. Let's have a little look. Virgin Orbit is up today. Okay, so I'm up in my brokerage account. I'm not up in my Roth IRA though. I've got a much bigger position over there. Rivian is down 0.87. Tesla, our attitude, my attitude anyway, has completely and utterly changed towards Tesla. Big time. I wouldn't buy a Tesla anymore, and my whole outlook on investing on Tesla has dramatically changed, and I will reveal why in a video coming up later today. All right, Lucid, Apple is down 0.65. Amazon is down 0.93. McDonald's is down 0.08. Coca-Cola up slightly. My defensive stocks tells you everything you need to know. It's the first thing I've said that's up. Defensive stocks, J&J is down at 0.21. Not so good there. Google is down today. I've got no cash today to buy anything. My bad English. N2 Deep, no worries at all. No worries at all. Right, if anyone becomes a member today, remember you get 20 times back what you put in. Become a member of our channel, and I want to show you my new exciting membership screen. And you get lots of benefits and perks if you become a member today. Plus, if anyone does a super chat, I've got some new screens as well I want to share with you. All right, so if you do a super chat today. Anyway, there's an invitation to join. You can access Discord for free. You don't need to be a member of our channel for that, but you won't get the exclusive content, and you can't call in live to the show unless you are a member. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. I've just done that. Now members can call into the show. Jason Fallon, just gifted 5 memberships. Hey guys, look at all these people getting memberships who are in the show right now. We've got Jan Lernby, Carlos Sanchez, Cran Orange, Bull Apocalypse, Neil Carver. You have just got memberships. So, you know what that means, right? If you've got a membership, you can now upgrade on Discord. All you've got to do is go on the Discord and we can upgrade you as a YouTube member. There you go. There is the Discord link right there. So we've got to, what do I celebrate? Do I celebrate a super chat or memberships? I think I'm going to have to celebrate memberships. I think I've got to celebrate memberships. You right? Okay, you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here's my membership screen. You're going to like this. Here's my membership screen. I haven't loaded it this morning, so it might take a second to load. Here it comes. Hey! What do you think of that? There's my congratulations. There's my new membership screen this morning. You like a bit of that? Brilliant. There we go. That's if you become a member this morning. That's what happens. I love it. This is my new screen. It's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool, isn't it? You got to be honest. There you go. That's what happens when you become a new member. And it took a moment to load it because it hadn't been put into cache. But anyway, there you go. Fantastic. Good stuff. And anyway, brilliant. That's what happens when you become a member. Should we do it again? Should we do it again just for the crack of it? There you go. Boom. Here it is. It's taken a second to load. Come on. Why is it taking so long to load? There you go. That's the super chat. If you do a super chat one, and that's the member. I completely broke it. I messed it up. I messed it up. I got too excited. There you go. That's what's supposed to happen. Hang on. Why haven't we got a sound on that? We haven't got a sound on that. Let me put a sound on that. It should be. There should be a explosion on that one. Right. Hang on. Add to scene. There you go. That's better. That's better. All right. Okay. Try that again. So when we come into that, this is what should happen. There you go. That's more like it. Very good. We're getting there now. I'm getting all carried away. So all of my... oh, you need an epilepsy warning. Yeah, I do. So yeah, maybe I should say that. Yeah. What do they say on the news? Be careful. You're about to get... what is it they say? What do they say? Something like... need to warn you of flash photography. Something like that. Anyway, that was fun, wasn't it? So all the new members, thank you very much, Jason Fallon. If you are now a YouTube member, Neil Carver, Bullpocalypse, Chronorange, Carlos Sanchez, and Jan Lernby, you've been given an opportunity now to call into the show, have a poll. You can have a birthday on your birthday. You can upgrade to silver and get a 20-minute fundraiser for free. You can also access our exclusive content on YouTube. So if you look below the channel, you will see the all the members only. Look, all the members only videos. See, members only. You can now see all of these exclusive videos you couldn't see before, behind the scenes with the family and all the team and so on tour and everything else. You can also access Discord, so we can upgrade you. So what you need to do now is go into the welcome all. So I will go into the welcome all right now. Okay, I'm in the welcome all screen, and when you go in there, I will upgrade you. All right. Now then. This is a scam alert, folks, a scam alert. Look at this. Someone has just come in, and a new person, and they've hashtagged everyone, okay? This person is a scammer. When anyone uses the everyone, it's a scam, okay? Because they're trying to contact you and sell you WhatsApp or whatever it is they're trying to do here. So the first thing I do is you are banned. Ban Lisa A. And take away all your stuff. All right. Previous 7 days, everything you've done in here is gone. Okay, so just be careful if you ever get any of those WhatsApps. And never WhatsApp anyone, never message anyone. All right. Contains flashing images. Oh yeah, that's right. That's it. Ah, yes. I got it now. Contains. Okay. Warning. Contains flashing images. Okay, I've got that. That's another job for you to do. Thanks ever so much for the other job to do. All right, let's go for our positions. We're starting to come back up again now. Virgin Galactic. So huge thank you to Jason Fallon. It supports the show massively, and it helps other people as well. So everybody wins. Absolutely wonderful stuff. Thank you so much indeed for that, Jason. Huge thank you. Sakiso. So I was trading US Tech 100. It's where's his comment gone? Sakiso's comment gone. It spiked down from 12535-ish all the way down to 12490, and now it's spiking up again. Sakiso, thank you very much indeed. Those mugs look cool. How do we win them? You can't win one. You can't win one. You have to buy one. Andrew Grady, goodbye scammers, he said over there on Discord. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Andrew. AAA stream quality. Thank you so much indeed. We're trying to get things better all the time. I was only joking, mate. I know. BTC and Cardano smashing it this morning. Very nice. Jason Fallon, thank you so much for your support. Huge support to the channel. Thank you very much indeed. Right, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Google, Microsoft up slightly, Walmart is down slightly. I want to buy back into Walmart. It's running away from me now. Though it's getting expensive again. We're waiting for another opportunity to buy back in again. Next Era Energy, down today very slightly. I'm out of the money by $8. I've got the dividends coming out soon. I got my Apple dividends today notified. They'll be paid to me today. Let me just check actually if that's gone through. Go into Robinhood, into my history. Yes, Apple dividend pending February the 16th. $4.19. $4.19. That's what I'll get tomorrow. $4.19. Here it is. I'll share with you on the screen. You can see what I'm talking about. I have it's 23 cents a share. I'll share with you right now so you can have a little look. This is what's coming out tomorrow. I've got 18 shares, 23 cents a share, $4.19. That's free money. Now, it's not set to automatically invest. That would be passive. There's no point me doing that. I can do it myself. I will do it on a dip, but I won't actually reinvest it. I'll just put it in my brokerage account and use it to buy whatever I want to buy. It'll be reinvested, but I don't just automatically put it in because I think it's better to manually do it myself. Anyway, there is my dividend tomorrow. So my overall position now, let's have a little look where we are. Let's have a look for you, see where we are. Okay, here we go. Right. 42,000. We want to be at 43 now if we're going to be back at our high this year. Nice dividend, Martin. Are you being funny? Nice dividend. So there's my my Roth IRA, 1.86. I've made $100. I'm happy. Good morning, Queen. Good morning. How are you? Lovely to see you here. A gold badge member now. She's not a gold level. I think she's a silver, a bronze or silver member. I can't remember, but she's got a gold badge now because she's been a gold member. She's been a member for a year. I love it. We're coming up to, wow, no, it's a few months to go, isn't it? About 5 months to go for our second anniversary. Can you believe it? Second anniversary coming up in June. Can anyone remember the date? Can anyone remember the date of our birthday? Anyone remember our date? We had an anniversary, obviously, our first anniversary last year. Can anybody remember the date? I can't. I'm looking for it now. I'm trying to find it. Yeah. Can anyone remember the date of the first video? It's our anniversary, and it's actually 4 months away. No, it's not October. It's not October. Come on, Mike. You're supposed to be the winner of the best badge. #1 fan. What's going on? No. I will come to the studio on the second anniversary. Yeah, that'd be good. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Queen could sit here and do my hair. Yeah, right. It's actually... Andrew Grady. How the heck did you remember that? June 17th. June 17th. That's right. June 17th is the second anniversary of the show. I can't... But oh, no, hang on. June 27th. June 27th. It's not June 17th. It's June 27th. June 27th. How the hell did you guys know that? June 27th. Did you just research it or something? You just researched it. I'm a pro, mate. Yeah, but you're not that much of a pro. I guessed it. It's June 27th. Did you seriously just guess it? You probably just looked, didn't you, for the anniversary video. You typed it in. Anniversary video. That's what you did. It's my wife's birthday. Well, Stephen Lewandowski will always remember. Apologise for the strobing there, folks. We had a flash screen just pop up there. Bitcoin up 2.74, doing very, very well. Bitcoin SV, we're out of that. Don't even know why I share that anymore. Tilray Brand, any news on Virgin Galactic? No, I'm sorry. I am concerned for Virgin Galactic, actually, if I'm totally honest with you, because no news is not always good news, if I'm honest. After that taxi test, they've remained in the hangar. I've been tracking the flight, and there's been no movement. So I don't like, I mean, no news is good news to a certain degree, but when there's no news upon no news upon no news, and when it finally comes out of the hangar, it does a very quick test, and then it's back in there again. I expected it to be out several times, but there was nothing, and there's no news at all coming in from Virgin Galactic. So, not good in my book at the minute, I've got to be honest. Anyway, we shall see. Meta is down slightly today. So the overall position is bouncing back a little bit. I've got a video coming out today about Elon Musk. Hopefully it'll be out today. Should be out today if I get it finished on time. Okay. Yeah, all right. I've got an early day today as well. I've got water aerobics today as well. BTC up 4. Let's have a look. Let's go back to BTC right now. Up 2.67%. Elon Musk donated 1.6 billion in Tesla stock. What do you mean he donated it? What exactly do you mean by he donated it? What does that actually mean? Andrew. Anyway, it's coming to our first break. If you see an ad, skip the ad and or watch it. I mean, I don't know why I say skip it, to be honest. It's all over BBC News. He donated and Sky. Okay, I'll have a look at that in a second then. All right, thank you very much indeed. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you are a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor one of these spaces. We have 2 sponsors, a passive sponsor, Melinda Source, and a very active one. We have Ali Tizro, and we'll be looking at his project later on in the show. All right, Sky News. Right, well, I've got Sky News running here. I'm looking, let me have a look here a minute. I've got 2 ways of looking at Sky News. How about Nicola Sturgeon stepping down? Eh? I never liked her. Did anybody like her? I bet all our Scottish people might like her, but I didn't like her. I'm looking all over Sky News and I don't see anything about Elon Musk. But anyway, I'll keep my eye on it. I bought the first anniversary mug. You did indeed. And Mike, you've still got your best mug to come. Apologise for the delay. Don't know why it's taken so long. I've had a few issues with it, but we are hopefully going to get that done. Well, we will get it done. Hopefully it will be done soon. I've had a few issues with it. Anyway, I'm checking Sky News and I don't see it. N2 Deep. I'm pretty new to investing in your channel and your channel, but have so far been loving it. Cheers, mate. N2 Deep. You're very, very welcome. Are you a YouTuber, a musician? Because I'm the World Piano Man, and if you are a musician and you become a member of my channel, I will promote your YouTube channel and get everyone to subscribe to it. It's something I do. I'll send a link. Thank you very much indeed. Links for YouTube. Yes, Andrew Grady, Elon Musk. Let's have a little look. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. All right. I tell you what I'm going to do, actually. Thank you very much for sending that in. I'm going to use that as part of my video this afternoon. So, Andrew Grady, thank you for sending that in. That's really, really useful. And I will use that later. So thank you very much indeed for that. All right. We've got just half an hour before the bell goes. Virgin Galactic's coming up. That's okay, mate. I'll take a free mug. He's determined to get this free mug, isn't he? I'll send you a picture of a mug. How about that? I tell you what I can do. You ready, Andrew? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. There's the anniversary mug. That's the anniversary mug. That was a limited edition. And it rarely appears on the shop. It pops up from time to time. It like pops in for a day and disappears again. But there's the anniversary mug. It's a collector's piece now, because there'll be a second anniversary mug this year. So you might want to get the whole set, because when I got 1 million subscribers and this channel is like the most amazing, bestest channel in the world, these mugs are going to be priceless, I'm telling you. Right. Lucid. Up and down, Apple, Amazon. And the date is on the... And the date is on the cup I'm drinking out of this morning. That's how you... Good God, that's how you knew. Oh yeah, look, June 27th. That's how you knew. Rub it in, Mike. Yeah, he was there. He's original. He's like the top man. He was there from the beginning. I got an anniversary mug. Did you, Stephen? Very nice indeed. Didn't Musanella, who's had a hard time, by the way, who's having a hard time with his father. That's why he's not been on. Anyway, no, I'm technologically illiterate and just amazed I've made it this far, but love the show. Okay, N2 Deep. I thought you had the guitar. I thought you might be a guitarist, and that's fine. But you should still be a member, though. Can everyone tell N2 Deep he should be a member? Everyone's a member here. 95% of our live viewers are members. You should be a member. And if you do, I promise you're going to love it. The benefits that you get are crazy. It's the best membership program on YouTube. Right, anybody gone into the welcome all that needs upgrading that's a YouTube member? Let me go into welcome all a minute. Is anybody in there this morning that needs upgrading? I can't see it yet, so if you are, here is the Discord link. Get yourself in there and I will upgrade you during the show. All right, it's the only time I can do it because we know it's done properly and for real. You should all make a private Discord for mug owners. We don't need to hear it in the chat. For mug owners, that's a good idea. We should have the mug owners. Yeah, it's a very elite club. Just those that are in the mug club. I love it. That's good. The mug owners. It's a good suggestion. I'm not going to do it though. I'm not going to do it. The mug owners. Yeah, mug owners. Is it a good idea? Okay, let's have a poll. Let's do a poll. Right, here, let's do a poll. Start a poll. Should we have a mug owners channel? And the only people that can vote are the mug owners, right? Okay, only mug owners can vote, because if you're not a mug owner, you wouldn't care. It doesn't bother you, all right? So this is for the mug owners, all right? The proud mug owners, the collectors of the collecting pieces of this show. Should we have a mug owners channel, and only the mug owners should vote? Okay, it's an exclusive club. It's like being a member of the Ferrari Club or the Rolls-Royce Club or the Mug Owners Club. All right, it's a dictatorship. It is. It's a dictatorship. It's only for mug owners. You can't be in it. If you haven't got a mug, you can't be in that club. You won't be invited to the special mug parties. Right? It's it's only for exclusive people. All right? 22's coming on, going Martyn's Mugs. Yes. Should we? Yeah, Martyn's Mugs. That's a good name for it. Right? Okay. So only members, only people who have got the mug can vote on it. Only you can vote on it, right? Because we don't. Otherwise, there's no point. You'd say no if you didn't own a mug, right? The purpose is only mug owners vote. Okay, there you go. Original mug owners. I thought Martyn Mugs was good. Someone said no. You can't vote if you're not a mug owner. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Right? Hashtag Martyn's mugs. There's some good suggestions here, actually. There's some good suggestions. I like that. Martyn's mugs. That's good. That's good. I could see that getting me into all kind of trouble, though. What was the other suggestion? Martyn's mugs, yeah. Martyn's mugs, Discord. I like it. It'd be funny. And I want funny pictures. The looping mugs. I want pictures of mugs. If we do it, I'm voting. I don't own a mug. Not much of a dictatorship. Yeah, yeah. He says I'm voting anyway. I don't care. How are people voting if they've not even got mugs? That doesn't make any sense to me. Right. Okay. We're going to give away some money this morning if we get 100 likes. We got it's a bit ridiculous right now. Look, we got 28 people watching and we've got 12 likes. It's ridiculous. Look at this. Look, 28 people watching. 28 watching and 13 likes. Let's get it moving. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow, chiggy, chiggy, 14, 15. We've got 25 minutes to go. Come on then. 16, 17, 18. We need at least 20. Oh, we've got 29 watching now. 31. We should get at least 30 likes. We've got a big world premiere coming up. We've got the Elon Musk special tonight. I've got a beer glass, Jason Fallon. I've got a beer glass. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Come on then, let's do it. 18 likes. On the way, we're on the way. Not too bad, not too bad. I'll give you that one. It wasn't too bad. Anyway, let's get it going. 19. Smash the like button. Yes, smash it. I don't know where that phrase came from. Does anyone know where that phrase came from? Smash the like button. 36 now. Okay, we're getting ready for an Elon Musk special. We've got the world premiere tonight. It's part 3. Are you part of the series? Don't forget you can watch the playlist if you've missed it. Here is part 3 tonight. Remember, this is to help those in Turkey and Syria. It raises money for Turkey and Syria for the Red Cross. You don't even have to donate. You've already donated by simply watching every night, sharing the video. You are playing your part, okay? Because the video will go out to more people who will donate. And I hope to see my fundraiser total go up, okay? So here is the fundraiser total so far. It hasn't moved in the last few days, but that's okay. We raised $250, which went directly to the Red Cross, plus the super chats, which I got, which I've already sent as well. But this is the official figure, okay? You can see it on the screen there, who donated. You're going to go and have a look if you want to. It's below all the videos, the special videos. Here is tonight's video. Who's going to be the first to like it? Eric B is in the chat. Who's going to be? Oh, we've already got 7 comments below the video. Let me have a quick look. Let me have a quick look at it. Sort by newest first. There you go. You can see there, look, how it's going. Mike, Steam, and just Mike and Stephen Lewandowski. The rest of me, the rest of me. That's rubbish. All right, so there you go. There's tonight's premiere. Put a channel on Discord for mug owners. Yes, we're going to, Queen of Self-Braiding. 62%. People are voting saying no. Who's saying no? Who is it who's saying no? Well, guess what? You got out of how many votes did we have? 8 votes. Which means a couple of people said no. Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you, Queen? Lovely to have you here, by the way. We miss seeing you. I didn't vote. Yeah, Andrew Grady, I bet you did. Somebody did. 9 votes. Some people don't want it. Remember, Remember, folks, if you're thinking, hang on a minute, I don't want another channel, I don't want more notifications, you know you can turn each channel notifications on or off, all right? You might only want to hear from the mug owners, Martyn's Mugs. You might only want to hear from Martyn's Mugs, right? If you don't want to hear from it, you just turn that notification off. Right, 22. Martyn, did you see Ford are laying off thousands in the UK? I did see that. And EU. US offering huge incentives for companies to move production to the US. Not sure how that will help inflation. Let's read that again. Ford laying off thousands in the UK and EU. US offering huge incentives for companies to move production to US. Yeah, but it'll improve GDP though. Gross domestic profit, won't it? Producing more in America, that's good. It's not good for England though. Anyway, thank you 22 for your 50-50. Is someone doing that on purpose? I think people are doing it on purpose. Oh, look at this. We've got no. We've got no. Should we have Martyn Mug? Hang on. Should we have a mug owners channel? I think people are getting confused out. They're thinking a YouTube channel. They're thinking a YouTube channel. I'm going to ignore this vote. This vote's gone silly. We don't mean a YouTube channel. We mean a Discord channel. not a bloody YouTube channel. Right, Rivian. 20 minutes to go. We're coming up to the bell. Just a few minutes to go. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Let me check the breaking news on Bloomberg a minute, because I have like a direct line to Bloomberg. Chinese owner said to weigh tire maker stake sale. Hedge funds, Q4, buys included Richie Bruss auctioneers. Any breaking news on Sky? Nicola Sturgeon says she will remain in politics, but she stepped down as the First Minister of Scotland. I want to hear from the Scottish. I want every vote counts. Look at that, look. It's equal now. Look, it's 50-50. 12 votes. I think people are getting confused. Does everyone think it's a vote for a YouTube channel? I think they do. I think they think it's a YouTube channel. Futures sink as US consumers keep spending. Futures sink as US consumers keep spending. Ethanol pushed to lift pump prices by 12 cents a gallon. Okie doke. Every vote counts, says Paul B. Coca-Cola. My J&J. I'm waiting for this court case to get settled. Could take years, though. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco. Up today, 1.59. Next Era Energy down. Enphase Energy. I keep buying the dips. Down 9% now. Remember, there's a long way for this to fall. Enphase Energy. Look, it's up 8,000%. Nearly 9,000%. It can fall a long way. Remember, it used to be $6 a share. Look at it now, 206. Very, 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 very expensive. Great company, the best balance sheet you've ever seen in your life, but nevertheless, it's a very expensive company. Let's have a quick look here. Quick listen in.
Reconcile.
Oh, I think so. I mean, I do think the equity market has perhaps gotten over its skis at this point, particularly because those earnings numbers really need to move lower still and multiples have reflated. I am not particularly confident in this particular rally that we've seen over the last several months. But, John, that doesn't really change my view over the next 12 to 18 months. And that kind of gets back to this idea of market timing. You know, you can say that, hey, maybe this isn't the real thing because of X, Y, Z. We're going to get 3 more hikes instead of 2 more hikes, you know, whatever that narrative may be. But for me, because this target does just keep on moving and because the economic data can sometimes be contradictory, I'd rather leg in and sort of get some exposure right now, recognize that short term, again, some chop, but long term, still a lot of payout potential.
Mike, what do you make of that spread between what's happened with the 2-year? It's repriced high. We saw it yesterday. The equity market just stayed resilient. we're really close to levels we haven't seen since November 8th. And on November 8th, we were at 38.28 on the S&P. We closed yesterday at 41.36. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that kind of goes back to my earlier comment, right? We've been positioned a bit more aggressively in the portfolio, and we favored equities. We were overweight equities for the last 3 months, but I agree with Jack. You know, a little bit of this is too far too fast. And when you kind of think about the repricing of rate hikes, the parts of the equity market that are going to be more sensitive to that are the growthier parts of the market, right? So when you think about how to own equities, I would say focus on the value factor and some of the valuation attractiveness that you could possibly find across the sectors. Growth could potentially be sensitive if the pause is not coming anytime soon.
Hey, Mo, you're going to stick with us. Mo Hagbin.
There you go. It's what I've been saying for ages. We're still in a bear market rally. Bull market isn't going to happen to at least the summer. Could be longer. So there you go. It is a bear market rally, no question about it. There could be further dips. Want to be careful with my end phase energy. That could have a long way to go. But anyway, I believe in that for the future. Okay, we've got... let me see how the World Premiere is going. Everyone's clicked on the World Premiere, have they? Don't miss it tonight after the closing bell. It's part 3 of 15. We want to keep it going if we can. How many likes have we got now? We've got 5 likes on it. Eric B was the first to leave a comment. And click the bell as well. Here is the video. Look, you can see all you got to do is click that little bell there to notify you. And go below and leave a comment. Sort by newest first. We've got 8 comments now. Andrew, hi mum. There you go. Hi mum, I'm on the telly. Nice one. There you go. Give everyone a like. Brilliant stuff. Thank you guys. Excellent stuff. And we've got 5 likes now. Hopefully we get as many likes on the show as we've got on that as we got here in the show. Anyway, plenty of mugs without having a channel for them. John McElwain. Plenty of mugs without having a channel for them. John, we're not on about a YouTube channel. We're on about a Discord channel. That's what we're talking. That's what we're talking about. Anyway, I thought I'm going to end the poll now. I think people are getting confused. They think we want a YouTube channel. It's a Discord channel to share the mugs. Anyway, talking of mugs, there's one right at the top of the screen right now. Anyway, the S&P is down. Virgin Galactic. So interest rates are going to carry on. I am concerned, I have to tell you now, even though I am bullish on Virgin Galactic, I'm concerned the delays, the rate hikes, the interest rates keep going up, inflation still not slowing down enough. I have to be honest with you guys, I am concerned. And I think we should be concerned. We shouldn't be taking it lightly, right? Anyway, 6,410. We just lost a subscriber there. Hang on, why didn't that refresh? That was a bit weird. What happened there? Oh, there you go. There was a delay there between my screen and... what's happened there? There we go, that's better. Anyway, 15 minutes to go. We're coming up to the bell. Let's see what happens today. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. How you doing? You ever invest? Yes, this is my real money. Someone on TikTok just said, do you ever invest? Yeah, I got $42,000 invested. I'm live 10 hours a day, investing all the time. I don't think anyone could invest anymore, could they? I invest in you. I invest in bloody hell. I mean, seriously. Can you believe? Yeah, bloody hell's right, Mike. Can you believe it? Someone on TikTok just said, do you ever invest? Yeah, interesting. Yeah. Anyway. Beyond. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla going down. How overpriced is Tesla right now? Lucid. Up we go again today. Scalp Trade City. Who's joining in today? Very risky, this sort of thing. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, it's flat, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase, Bitcoin up today. Should we have a look at my position here on Coinbase, Ali Tizro's challenge, $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. Let's have a little look. 1,067. It's slowly going up, actually. Slowly going up. We're not bought that much either. We're just, most of it's in cash. I'm earning, let me share with you what I've got. Let me share with you the full portfolio here on the screen. Here you go. This is Ali Tizro's challenge. If you want to be part of this, you can see my balance. We started with $1,000, and the idea was $1,000 to $10,000, $7,000 to $100,000. That's what Ali's on. I'm not as rich as that. I'm on the $1,000 to $10,000. This is it right now. You can see, and I am earning 4% on my USD coin. There's $813 in there, invested there. All we've got is XRP. That's down slightly. Dogecoin. That's down slightly. Bitcoin is up. Sandbox is down slightly, and the two at the bottom are just part of my quizzes that I get for free when I do quizzes on crypto on Coinbase. Now then, if you want a free $10 of Bitcoin, anybody want $10 of Bitcoin? Anybody? If you do, I can give you $10 of Bitcoin right now. Anybody want it? So I will invite you now. This is what we're using for the challenge because it's protected by the SEC, so it's got some sort of regulation. That's why we like to use Coinbase. And you can be part of it. Let me give you the link for my Coinbase. If you use my referral and set it up, terms apply, of course, as always. There it is in the chat. I'll give it you twice. You get $10 of Bitcoin. I get $10 of Bitcoin. Everybody wins just by setting it up. Okay. XRP waiting for the SEC. Probably won't move much for a few months. No, and we're not gonna. We're gonna buy. Obviously, we're gonna buy more. But I don't know exactly what we're going to buy. Ali Tizro makes those decisions for me. I'm just following what he's doing. Anyway, there it is. I've given you the link if you want the free Bitcoin. Martin, can you give us a detailed explanation as to what a sandbox is? It's a crypto I know nothing about. Ali said this is what we're buying, so this is my challenge. This is what we're doing. But I know nothing about it other than sandbox, other than what the kids play in on a Sunday afternoon, getting the old sand. When I was a kid, it was called a sand pit. It wasn't called a sandbox. It was called a sand pit. Remember that? Go and play in the sand pit. And remember, you had the little JCB, the little Tonka toy. Tonka toys. Remember those Tonka toys? They were made out of like solid steel. You could get it if you ever felt like, you didn't like your brother. You could hit him across the head and you could take your brother out. Today, it's all soft toys, health and safety. Back when I was a kid, back in 1969, right, we had Tonka toys, right? If you play in the sand pit with your Tonka toy digger and your little brother upset you, bosh, with your Tonka toy, your massive great tires and your massive great flipping great made out of steel. Now it's all soft toys and plastic. Anyway, remember all that? Tonka toy. Who had a Tonka toy? Good morning, Dave Mottram. How are you? Dave Mottram, you've not been joining in. Who hasn't been joining in our Red Cross specials? Who hasn't been joining in every night to help the people in Turkey and Syria? You haven't got to spend any money. You haven't got to buy anything. You haven't got to do anything. All you got to do is watch the 3-minute video every night, and it helps the charity get to more people. Who hasn't watched it? Who hasn't joined in yet? Who hasn't been a good family member? What's going on? Here's tonight's, and don't forget you can watch the full playlist as well. Here is the part 3 tonight. Leave a link there right now. Click on it. Leave a comment. Click the reminder. You be part of it. All right. Anyway, let's check our news. Nicola Sturgeon, we've heard, is standing down. I wasn't a great fan of Nicola Sturgeon, if I'm honest, but I never really liked her. I didn't like her very much. Jail time in the year, 2023. Yeah, you get jail time. When back when I was a kid, we had Tonka toys. You could do what you want, made out of steel. Anyway, we've got 5 minutes to go. The bell is about to go. This is the breaking news on
And the most in nearly
Bloomberg.
2 years. What a gain that was a little bit earlier. Up next, the morning calls, and later, Nadia Lovell of UBS warning of more earning cuts, leaving the S&P at 4,000 year end. More on that with Nadia in about 7 minutes' time.
All right, more earning cuts coming up. We know all about that. You were all quite impressed at first. You thought I had my own Bloomberg terminal, didn't you? You did, didn't you? Come on, tell the truth. You all thought I had my own Bloomberg terminal. You thought, hello, that's pretty impressive. The Nikkei, you can see down 0.37. Kospi down 1.53. Hang Seng down 1.43. The FTSE up slightly at 0.19. The CAC 40 up 0.86. DAX up 0.44. She won't be missed. No, I didn't like her. It was all about one thing and one thing only. You can't be, in my opinion, you can't be a politician about one thing and one thing only. And all she was about was independence. I mean, it was like breaking up the union. The only reason she existed, the only reason why she was there was to break up the union. There was no other reason. And I think, if you're a politician, I'm sure she cared about other things, but that's all she talked about. That was the main thing. That was the main purpose, wasn't it? And I think when you come into government or as a politician, you should be there for the greater good of many things, not just I want one thing and I'm going to destroy everything for one thing. Well, there you go. I think the United Kingdom, we're all better together anyway, aren't we? That's just my opinion. What do you think? Rivian is dropping. Look, 3%. A big drop this morning from Rivian. Tesla going down. We've got 4 minutes to go. I can't take advantage of any of these. I had a terminal at my old job. They're good, but these days with the resources available for free, they aren't worth the money unless someone else is paying. I agree. There's so many resources like this show. 22. You don't need Bloomberg, do you? Why do you need Bloomberg? Why do you need a Bloomberg terminal when you got me every day, eh? What more do you want? I tell you what. Cornwall should have a wall up at the border. You want a Cornwall wall like Donald Trump's wall? Do you want one of those across the Tamar Bridge? No pasties leave this county. Fish and chips only remain here in Cornwall. I love it. Right, we've got 3 minutes to go. Let's do a quick commercial break. You can skip the ad. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Let's bring everybody up to date. Everyone smash the like button, subscribe and rung the bell. 100 likes, we give away some money. Come on, everybody, smash the like button, get part of it. And if we get a member today, or we get a super chat, my screens are ready. My screens are ready. All right? Got a brand new thing. Okay, here we go. See you right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. Let's have a quick look. Let's go over and see what's being searched. What's number one video today? We've got 104 through the stream so far. That's pretty good. We want to end up with a couple of 100 before we finish. Gain any subscribers? 6,410. That's where we are right now. Fair enough. We've got 36 watching, 23 likes. So please smash the like button if you wouldn't mind. That would be great. Smash the like button. Subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like. If we get 100 likes, we've got 36 watching, so we should have 36 likes. I mean, in theory, right? Thank you very much indeed. If we can do it, we'll give away some more money today. We've not done it for ages. Not reached 100 for ages. Anyway, let's get ready. 1 minute to go, 1.5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Where are we going to go today? What's the breaking news? Sky News, we're on a break. Bloomberg is just preparing. I watched Clarkson's Farm Season 2 last night. It was a great watch. Good old Jeremy Clarkson, eh? Can't go wrong. Bit of Top Gear. Okay, here we go. 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Let's get ready. All right. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said chiggy, 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 pow, pow. All right. Hello, Alex. Good morning to Alex. Hello, amigos. Welcome to Alex. Let me put Alex on the screen. Yes, all members. How are you? Mike, wiffle bats. We used to fight for roosters in the yard. Let's go, said Sikiso. Favorite time of the day. Exciting. Are you ready? Ready? Okay, here we go. A few seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I feel like Thunderbirds are go. Here we go. Ring the bell. Okay, the markets are open. Let's rock and roll. Where are we going today? I still say, and I stand by it, it's a bear market rally. We could still have further downturns. I actually hope we do. I hope we do, because I'd like to invest more money, and come the summer, I'll have more, between now and then, I'll have $2,000 a month. I can buy more shares at lower prices, lower my averages. Does anybody want it to go up? The only people who want it to go up are the ones who want to retire today. Everybody else who wants to retire next year and beyond, you want it to go down. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Okay, all right. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio isn't moving much at the moment. The S&P is down 0.55. Virgin Galactic is down 0.4. Oh, Virgin Galactic just popped up to a wash, slightly down. Virgin Orbit going down 1.27. Rivian is down 1.8. Trying to bounce back. Tesla go down. I want to get Tesla for 210. 110. I beg your pardon. 110 to 120. Elon Musk last night really upset me. I've got a video coming out about that later. Okay, fantastic. The world premiere tonight after the closing bell. Here is the link in the chat. Make sure that you are in the world premiere tonight. It's at the closing bell tonight. Please join us. It's part 3. Part 3 of 15 as our special events for Turkey and Syria. It's a 3-minute video. Be there. It's part 3 tonight, and tonight is yesterday. Yesterday. Talking about that dog howling. You remember the dog howling? Told everybody that the earthquake was coming. Coca-Cola popped up and back down. J&J going down. My overall portfolio is holding. Just down $100. Google is going up. Microsoft is going down. Walmart. I'm on nights tonight. Good old Trelisk. Good old Trelisk. Yeah, that's where my oldest son was born. Yeah. Tesco, 0.68. Next Era Energy, finally up again. Right, I'm out of the money by $1.37. Great dividends. 24 cents down. Come on. Come on. Next Era Energy, we're going to make some money. Just want to be in the money on Next Era Energy. I want to feel like I've bought the bottom. 0.1. $2 down. Enphase Energy, I'm $100 down. There's no dividend on Enphase, but there is a nice dividend on NEE. Just 137. Bitcoin is up 2.65. Tilray Brands up again today. A lot of scalp trading there. You can see it. Robinhood is, I've got a small position in Robinhood now. SoFi, they think that the interest rates are coming down. And that worries me because they're a digital bank. Did you refresh the ticker? What do you mean? Is it not working? Let me have a look. Let me check. Is the ticker not working? Let me check. Bitcoin is 22,733. No, that's correct. Let me just look at it a minute. 128. No, it's moving. I wonder if I need to refresh that. Just looking at something a minute. So that shows the day. Right, Tilray Brands. Let me just check this a minute. Tilray Brands is 299, 296. Aha. Right, okay, I've just learned something else. Let me see what happens now if I do this. Let's have a little look. Just learning, every day I learn a bit more about our ticker. Okay. Want to see the little D's? That means the day before. That's why it's in yellow. Let's see if the D's have gone away now. They don't go away on crypto, of course. No, they're still there. It's a yellow D. See on DWAC, there's a yellow D. We're just checking our ticker for a moment. Yeah, I wonder if you need to. Okay, here we go. Here's one I can check now. Tilray Brands is at $2.99. Tilray Brands, $2.99. $2.96. SPCE, let me check that a minute. 531, 529. 2 cents out. Yeah, look, see those D's? I think that's pre-market. We'll try that again. Virgin Galactic is just coming back down again. Virgin Orbit, it's flat right now. Let's look at my overall portfolio. It's holding at 0.24 down, 87. The S&P is down 0.46. Virgin Orbit is flat. Rivian's come back up again. Let me check my J&J. Still going down. We've got new lows now, 161. I haven't got any more money on hand to buy any more. Coca-Cola, it's not down much. Tilray Brands, Robinhood. Virgin Orbit, 159. Just moving slightly. Virgin Galactic, 535. It's in my imagination, or they're not moving. Next Era Energy. We're finally, we're in the money. We're in the money now on Next Era Energy. Oops, I'm $4 up for the first time. That's the best I've ever been up on Next Era Energy. We've got the dividends around the corner. $5 up now. Come on. I'm not going to sell it. I just want to see myself 10% up. It's 5.9% of my portfolio. It's a decent position. Next Era Energy. Yep, $6 now. It's moving nicely. Come on, let's make some money on it. What about Enphase? Yeah, it's going up with it. Still out of the money on Enphase. Thank you, Andrew. I'm just checking to see what those D's mean. Let's look at Ford. Ford at 1275. See, it's Tesla 209. Yeah, that's what I thought. It, and the little D, I think, means yesterday's price or pre-market. That's why it's yellow. That's what I think. I think you're right. So let me leave it off the screen for a few seconds and then bring it back in again. Let's see if I can do that. Yeah, currencies always work, crypto always work because it's 24/7. But the rest, try refresh again, might take a few minutes after a market opens to update. Yeah, exactly. So I'm thinking that I won't run it until we get into the trades, get into the market. So that might be a good little lesson learned here. McDonald's doing well, they're up 3%. I want to get in, it's leaving me behind. Coca-Cola, yes. See, yeah, look, it's still showing those Ds. I think that D means yesterday's price. Did you see the Virgin Orbit post, Martin? Their next mission will be in Spaceport, California. Crag, thank you for that, Crag. Can you send it on Discord, please? To be announced soon. Crag, here, go into Discord. Are you on Discord? Sure you are. Send it in. And I'll make a video on it and I'll do some research on it. Thank you very much. J&J still going down. Thank you very much, Crag. I'll make a video on it. Appreciate it. Google down 0.23. Microsoft. Walmart. I think the ticker's not updating. Britmark, Tesla chief executive Elon Musk says he's donating around 1.95 billion worth of shares to charity this year. Thank you very much for sharing that with us, mate. The overall position, just going sideways. Let me check the news. Nothing to report at the moment. When to enter Apple? I've already trimmed off my Apple. I'm up 5% right now. You need to just wait for a little bit of a pullback, but there's never a wrong time to own Apple. It's expensive. The dividend isn't worth it though. You saw me this morning. I got $4 of Apple. Not very much at all. I like to own it. It's a stable company. It's a good company. I like to own it, but it's expensive and it does trade expensively. Look, if we look at it here, it's 26 times earnings. If you've decided that you want a slice of Apple, then just look for a dip in the chart. See, there's always an opportunity. Just get it when it falls a little bit, because its general trajectory is always up. Look, you know, just when you see a little bit of a dip, there's no wrong time, because you're going to hold it long. I'm presuming you want to own slice of Apple. Do you think that was funny? It did sound funny when I said it, but I would just say, you know, I'm presuming you're not trying to trade it. I'm presuming you want to buy Apple and just hold it. So there's never a wrong time. If you want to hold it for 5 years, 10 years, you're always going to be up, right? Just try and get a dip. That's all. That's what I've done. I've already got my Apple. I don't need any more. It's 7.7% of my portfolio. I had more and I trimmed it off the top to buy other things, which I'm glad I did, like J&J and Coca-Cola. But now I've trimmed it enough. I don't want it to be any less of my portfolio. 7.7 is right. It should be a leading part of my portfolio. 10 perhaps a little bit too much, but it's 7.7. It could easily become 8 or 9 right now, actually, the way it's going at the moment. But I'm happy with that. I'm up $147 on it. I'm happy with that. The dividend payments are coming in as well. So that's good. That shows strength because the ex-dividend date has passed. So people could technically sell their Apple now because they've got their dividends coming out, and they're not. They're holding on because the dividends aren't really worth it. They're just a little extra bonus. Look at the OP. Its dividend. Look at OP. Its dividend is 77 PE. Oh, it's divided is. Sorry, its dividend is. Sorry, Flutter Edits, I'm not really sure your comment there. 75 PE is 8.75 to make $10 a month on it's just $12. Flutter Edits, could you rephrase that? I have J&J limit buy at 159.87. Oh, I wish you the very best. I wish you the very best. I would buy more. I would buy more because this is low now. Yes, look at that. Yes. Yes, J&J is a screaming buy right now. Yes, definitely. A screaming buy, J&J. Whoa, it's going down. It's going down. I've got no money to buy it at all. I'm already fully in. I would definitely buy it. But there's more pain to come. We've got several months yet of hard times. So there's going to be lots of opportunity, I think, over the next 6 months anyway. Virgin Galactic's doing well today. I don't know why. There's no news coming out. If anyone gets any news, let me know. Rivian. I'm constantly watching all my sources for information on Virgin Galactic, Lucid. Apple doing well. Amazon coming back up. McDonald's. I notice Amazon and Apple tend to trade together. Coca-Cola going down again. Martin, when you retire and move back to England, I'll give you my trading 212 referral. That's funny. Thanks for that, mate. I look forward to that moment. Down the pub, right? Down the pub in Newquay, we'll have a referral swap, all right? J&J, Eric B wants to buy it at 159.87. He's obviously looking at a chart and seen a specific point. I don't like doing that because if you're looking at a chart, so is everybody else. And everybody else is trying to buy it at 159.87. They've all identified this is the point. I would just buy it at 160 because who cares, right? I want to get it lower. I mean, as long as it's my all-time low, it doesn't matter, does it? Tesco. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I'm finally up on Next Era Energy. Great dividends. Really good dividends coming out. 2.25. Not the best, but pretty good though, right? They'll be paying out soon. I am very happy with that. I'm up now $9 for the first time. I kept buying the dips. It's 5.9% of my portfolio. Enphase Energy also going up. That's good. My portfolio is now starting to turn green. It might be green in a few moments' time if this carries on. Let's have a quick look. There you go. Let's bring the ticker back in again, shall we? Let's see if that ticker's now refreshed. I need to do some more work on my ticker, I think. Need to do some work on my ticker. Coinbase is up. Let's see if we can lose those orange Ds. I think those orange Ds means it's yesterday's prices. I think. I don't know. I need to learn a bit more about it. Crypto always moves. Currencies always move. It's the stocks that are showing a bit of an issue at the moment. Anyway, let's see what happens now. The S&P's going up. Still showing Ds. That's what the heart surgeon said. Yeah, look at that. Vorb launch June. Vorb launch June. We got a launch date for Virgin Orbit, right? Have we got a launch date for Virgin Orbit? Right, let me check some of these prices. Tilray Brands, 301. Yeah, it's been 209 all morning. 299 all morning. Virgin Orbit, 159. Yeah, it's not moving, is it? The ticker isn't reliable. We might have to change our sources. Virgin Galactic, yeah. It's yesterday's price. It's not refreshing. How do I get it to refresh? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to take it off the screen. It's of no use to us right now. Okay, we'll take it off the screen for now. Virtue turning green right now. Virgin Galactic. Send on links. It's been up a while. Thank you very much indeed. Vorb launched. Oh, thank you, Leah. I've only got 10 minutes to go. It's water aerobics today. Not sure how credible. Okay, I'll check into it. Thank you very much, Andrew Grady. There we go. We've turned green. We've turned green now. So there we go. That looks better. Let's have a look on the week. We're down on the week slightly. We're up on the month. And our year to date now is 10.91. Great. So our biggest gainers this morning are Next Era Energy. Yep. Up $9 now. It's the best I've ever been on it. Enphase. J&J's going down. I really would like to be able to buy that. 160. I think my all-time low is, let me have a look, 161. Let's check the history. $165, 166. Yeah, 161 is my lowest. So I would like to buy it. It's an all-time low. Yep, an all-time low for me. Just don't have any money. This is where margin comes in, and margin stays out, right? So J&J not looking good today, but an opportunity to buy it, definitely. Same with Coca-Cola, definitely. 59. Tried to buy it at 59 yesterday. Very, very nice indeed. And I'm sure these prices will continue down here for another few weeks, if not a couple of months. So I get paid from YouTube on the 21st. I can then do it then. Lower my averages would be fantastic. I feel like more and more like Warren Buffett every day. I want to get the price that he paid for it. Now then, just a quick warning, everybody, over there on Twitch, where Mike is right now, we've only got 8 subscribers. Only 8. Remember, it's free to subscribe using Amazon Prime Gaming. And the first Friday of the month, we give away a cash prize to our Twitch subscribers. I give away the money I make in subscribers. Everyone who's got Amazon Prime should be subscribed to me on Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime Gaming. It gives me a tip and then the money I give back to you. Look, only 8. We had 12? Which means 4 of you have let it lapse because Twitch, Amazon are paying for it because Amazon own Twitch. They don't renew it every month automatically. You've got to do it. So go into Twitch right now and check because you will miss out on our cash prize draw. It's free and the money I get, I give to you. There's my Twitch in the chat right now. All right, we've just got 8 subscribers. You're missing out on free money. Okay, I give it back on the first Friday of the month, as well as every Friday I give away a cash prize draw as well, right? That's an additional one. Anyway, if you've just tuned in, welcome to you. Subscribe and ring the bell. If you become a member today, I've got a special screen surprise I want to share with everybody. I'm excited about it. And if we get 100 likes, I'll give away the money I make on the video today as well. Let me have a look at our likes right now. We've got 43 watching, 27 likes. Okay, let's put up a timer. We want to get 40 likes in 1 minute. If we can, then we're 40% the way there. If we can get 100, we'll give away a cash prize. You ready? Okay, here we go. Let me share with you on the screen. You can see we've got 43 watching. There you go, 43 watching. If we get up to 100 likes on the show, we'll give away a cash prize. 28. We should have at least 40 likes in 37 seconds. Come on, we've got 28. 29. Space doing well. Yes. 30. Yes. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow, said 31, 32. We're on the way up. There we go. Let's get up to 100 likes a day so we can give away a cash prize. Absolutely great. Also, we know we're not being watched by bots then as well. Excellent stuff. All right. Okay. Let's go back to it in a minute. The S&P is going back down again. Bots, hello, Virgin Galactic. Hassan, good morning to Hassan. How are you this morning? Tap the like. Thank you, Eric B. Eric B with his cap on. I love it. Right, now then, did Solar... No, Solar's held up. Solar's held up. We're up $10 now, up 0.49. End phase is still a bit slow at the minute. Bitcoin's up 2.42. Let's try our ticker again, see if we can fix it. Our ticker this morning was running a bit late or not refreshing on the screen. Let's see if it does now. If it doesn't refresh, we need to do some work on it and maybe find a new ticker service that's more reliable. This is the Trading View one. It's updating its crypto, but it doesn't seem to be updating the stocks. And there's nothing useful about an inaccurate ticker. Virgin Galactic, there's no news yet, folks. No, it's still showing that little orange D, which to me shows you it's out of date. It's not moving, so we're going to get rid of the ticker. We're going to give up today, and we're going to work on a new service. See what we can do. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. It's going back down. I'm waiting to buy Tesla down at 110. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. We've got, I've got to go today early because I've got day trader of the day. I've got water aerobics. So I've got to go in a minute. So we're going to end the show in a couple of minutes. So before we go, we've got day trader of the day. But also what we've got this morning is just to remind you once again about the world premiere tonight. Our world premiere is tonight for our fundraiser for the Red Cross. Every single night we've got 15 parts to it. Tonight is part 3. All you got to do to support the cause and help those people in Turkey and Syria is watch the video. All the money I get, all the money that's been raised for the fundraiser has gone directly to the Red Cross. There is the link in the chat. Let's see how many people have clicked on it right now. This is part 3 tonight. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. We have now got 7 likes on it. And all you got to do is click the bell to be notified. It goes in 6 hours time. Click a like, leave a comment below. How many comments we got now? Sort by newest. We got 10. So we've got Dave Mottram has taken part. Dave Mottram, Brick Mark has taken part. Andrew Grady, Stephen Lewandowski, and Mike. Thank you ever so much indeed. It goes live at the end of the closing bell tonight. And the idea is this series of videos. The series of videos will help the Red Cross because the videos will go out and promote this fundraiser, and the fundraiser links are in the video. Sakiso, when is it? Well, if you click on it, it'll tell you in your time zone. So there is the link right now. I'll give it to you again. All you got to do is click on it, and it'll give it to you in your time zone. All right? This is what you'll come to. This is the video, and it'll come to you in your time zone. This is part 3. Every night I do one. We got 15 parts. Tonight, the song is Yesterday. please join me with that and share it too. Stephen Lewandowski does a great job sharing on Facebook and Twitter, I've noticed last night. Appreciate that very much indeed. You don't have to spend any money, and it will reach people who can donate without you spending any money at all. ESP, since I'm from the Middle East originally, you're a great person. Sakiso, well, thank you very much indeed. We just like helping people, right? And it's easy to do it. Just get off your ass, click the button, watch the video, share it. That's it. Right, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. This is Ali Tizro's server. If you want to be part of our $1,000, $10,000 crypto challenge, here's Ali's server direct there. There it is on the screen. Let me have a quick look at my crypto challenge so you can see exactly how it's going. Started with $1,000 to $10,000. We're at 1,067. You can see it there. All right. We've got most of it at the moment just in USD coin earning 4%. We're not buying yet. We're holding. We own a few things, but not very much. Okay. We're waiting at the moment. It's all about timing, right? Okay. Now, there's Ali Tizro's link in the chat. If you want, it's a premium service. However, if you go through my Discord link, you'll get a lifetime discount and basically virtually get my membership for free. Yeah, in fact, half price, you'll get it with the discount that you get. There's my Discord link, and there's the invitation to join if you want to be part of our $1,000 to $10,000 crypto challenge. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Skip the ad. Let's do Day Trader of the Day, and I'm out of here. You ready? All right, see you back in 10 seconds from now. As a YouTube member sponsor, you can be in this space as well. All right. So I am down 0.16. Put your scores on the screen. Let's see who wins today. 0.16%. I am down 0.16. Not much at all. Pretty much going sideways. I've got a very stable portfolio. It's very defensive. I think we're in a bear market rally. I don't think. I know we're in a bear market rally. It's gone on for weeks. And it could drop a lot more than this. And I need a portfolio that's protected. All right. Virgin Galactic's going up as well. Okay, here come the scores. Let's put a minute on the clock. Up 0.87. Up 0.19. Thoughts on Airbnb? I've got no thoughts on it. Sakiso, you are a member of our channel, so you could talk on Discord, go into the stock channel and ask, or general chit chat, and you could ask. And there's a lot of people in there that might be in that stock. I'm not in it. I've got no thoughts on it, so there you go. Up, no bloody idea. It is Andrew Grady. Up 1.5. Yeah, there's a whole family over there that will help you. I've got no view on it, so I can't share my opinion with you. But there are others that will and can. So I would recommend you going into Discord. Have you used Discord yet? Sakiso, I don't know if you've used Discord yet, but I need to upgrade you because you are a YouTube member. And are you already a YouTube member on Discord? If you go into the Welcome All, I will upgrade you if you're not already a member. So go to Welcome All, and I will... This is the Welcome All screen. If you come into Welcome All here, see on the left-hand side, Welcome All. Yes, you are, and you're already a member. Okay, you are already a member. If you come in here, I can upgrade you. If you are a member, then that's great. Because if not, you won't see the right channels anyway. Okay, so we had a winner, Britmark, up 2.75 right at the end there. And Charles Benting, 2.77. Charles Benting takes it. Thank you, Charles, for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. Brilliant. Charles Benting, congratulations. Really, really good. Well done to you. You win today. Excellent stuff. Right, that's it. I'm out of here right now. I'll see you back later on for a premiere, Elon Musk premiere. Hopefully that'll happen. But here is the world premiere tonight. Please go and click on that right now and get yourself all signed up for that. Please just watch it, and it helps the people in Turkey and Syria with the earthquakes. We've already raised $250. You haven't got to donate. Just watch and share the video, and others will discover the video and they'll be able to donate because you've already done it. Okay, that's it. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. Breaking news. Brick won it, but we already called it, Charles Benting. Brick, Martin, thank you for being so honest, but we've already called it. Your second post came a few seconds after I called it. So there you go. It's a fight between Charles and Brick. Fight! All right, that's it from me. Time to get out of here. Thank you ever so much indeed. I'll see you all back in a minute. Let's roll the credits. We got a little bit of action today on the credits. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. Look at this, stars of the show, subscription, Stephen DP. We got some new members. This was courtesy of Jason Fallon, who bought some memberships today. Very, very kind of him. Thank you very much indeed, Jason, for doing that. Thanks for your support. Subscribers, Stephen DP. And members was Jan, Learn, Carlos Sanchez, Cranarange, Bull Apocalypse, and Neil Carver. Fantastic. Now, I'll see you all back for the closing bell. Hopefully, there'll be a world premiere coming out shortly about Elon Musk. It might be delayed, though, but hopefully it will. Here is the world premiere. Make sure that you've got yourself onto that. And there you go. Nice cup of coffee. Off to water aerobics. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. But that's it from me. See you back this afternoon. And in the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other.